Hey everyone, this is Chef Bryan from Paris Academy, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make matcha chocolate cookies. It is so easy and delicious. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. So here we have low protein flour, butter, sugar, egg, chocolate which I have cut through dice, baking powder, salt, matcha powder and vanilla essence. We're gonna start by mixing the low protein flour, baking powder and matcha powder together. Then we can just set that aside for later. Okay, we're gonna move on to the unsalted butter. Beat it high speed with the mixer until it's all soft and fluffy. Then we can go ahead, add in sugar and salt. With low speed, mix well and combine. After mixing them, add in eggs separately. Followed by the vanilla essence. Lastly, the flour mixture. I'm gonna mix this with low speed until all mixed well and combined. Remember to scrape the sides in order to combine well. Okay, we're putting into a piping bag with this 1.5 mm piping paste. And we are going to pipe circle in the tray. Then we're going to put it into a piping bag and pipe a ball shape. And lastly, add in some chocolate dice on top of it. I've preheated the convection oven to 160 degrees Celsius, and now we can just go ahead and pop this tray in the oven for approximately 10 minutes.